Hi, my name is Manish Mehra. I am the current Northeast President for IT Serve chapter. I would like to invite everybody to our signature event, that is Synergy 2021. We are hosting that in Dallas this year. We'll be having around more than 1,200 CEOs attending that event. I would like to personally invite everybody. Come over to Dallas, register for Synergy. Looking forward to see you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ashok Dannamudi, Philadelphia chapter for 2021. We are here at Atlanta chapter monthly meeting to basically invite all of you to our Synergy, which is happening this year in Dallas, September 29, 30 and 31. So we have great sessions happening over at Synergy. A lot of keynote speakers, immigration updates, and other very good opportunities for networking. We are looking forward to see you all at Synergy, which is happening in Dallas again. We all welcome you. Thank you. This is Ashok Dannamudi.
Hello, I am Nayan Joshi from core team of the Atlanta IT Serve chapter, and I invite one and all Atlanta team, all the members, all the 100 members to come to Dallas for Synergy. Let's go in big numbers because we need to bring Synergy here in Atlanta next year. So this is the time. Step forward, I would say, and let's become elite members too. This is our time, and let's all be together. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Shyam Paramati. I'm Charlotte Chapter President. I would like to invite you all to Synergy. It would be a great networking event. Please go ahead and register and plan to be there in Dallas. Thank you all. Seeing you there.
Hello everyone, my name is Radha Alla. I'm the Sponsorship and Benefits Director for 2021 and also Synergy Advisor and Revenue Generation Lead at IT Serve. So I cordially invite you all for the Synergy 2021 happening September 30th and October 1st in Dallas. Please do attend and network with the people. Thank you.
This is Vinay Mahajan. I am President and CEO of NAM Info Inc. and National Secretary for IT Serve Alliance. I welcome you to Synergy 2021. Synergy is a great signature event of IT Serve, and we have done two magnificent Synergies, 2018 and 2019, and they are wonderful. You will have a wonderful experience. It's full of technology session, full of lot of interaction, lot of networking. You get around 1,500 CEOs attend the meet, and you get a very good opportunity to meet the technology leaders. There will be a lot of good panels, so please do come and join it. And also the last night, which is the banquet, will be a lot of fun for the family. And it's a great event full of the music and other programs on the last night. So please do come and join Synergy 2021 at Dallas. Thank you.
Hey, this is Gautam Goli from Atlanta IT Serve Alliance. Along with me, I have Karun Asireddy from Atlanta and Mohan Idara from Atlanta. Today is a very special day. We have all the IT Serve Alliance national team coming to Atlanta monthly chapter meeting, and they are personally inviting all our Atlanta IT Serve chapter members to come to Synergy this year, happening in September 29, 30 and October 1st. And all Atlanta is looking forward to go there. And we request all IT Serve members to come in big numbers to Dallas this year and make IT Serve Synergy a very successful Synergy, for it being a special because of the 10th year and 11th year anniversary of IT Serve Synergy. We look forward to seeing you all in Dallas. Chalo Dallas. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello everybody. My name is Chris Gaddy. I would like to invite you for our IT Serve Synergy meeting. We're going to have a wonderful meeting and with a lot of important keynote speakers. So please join us and enjoy the Synergy. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alfred John, Forsyth County Commissioner for District 2 in Georgia. It is my pleasure to be here with the folks at IT Serve, and I want to encourage everybody to attend the Synergy event on September 30th and the 1st in Dallas. Please join. Thank you.
Action. Hi, this is Cyril Savli from Atlanta IT Serve chapter. On behalf of IT Serve, I'm very proud and eager to welcome you all for IT Serve Synergy. It's a signature event and it's a platform for our networking and as well as political empowerment. we cordially invite you all for IT Serve Synergy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ravichander, CEO of SoftPath System in Atlanta, Georgia. I welcome you all to Synergy. Let's all join in Dallas. Thank you.
This is Manor Kasagani. I'm membership director for 2021. I'm inviting you all for the Synergy 2021 in Dallas. It is happening in September 29, 30, October 1st. And come and join with us. And then it's going to be a lot of fun as well as education sessions and immigration sessions and all. So I'm welcoming you all to the Synergy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Parachuri from Bay Area chapter. Currently I'm the National Treasurer for IT Serve. I take this opportunity to welcome you all for Dallas Synergy. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Please join.
Hey, this is Shiva Mubanar from Chicago. We hosted Synergy in 2019 and we enjoyed hosting Synergy. This time it's happening in Dallas. Please come with your family and your employees and leaders and link, learn and grow. Thank you.